Much of our infrastructure throughout our district has been in place for over 70 years and now require repairs and replacement. The Oro Loma Sanitary District and our Board of Directors have embarked on a proactive goal to replace 40 miles of sewer line infrastructure in the next 10 years. These projects are your tax dollars at work to prevent sewer overflows and blockages from broken pipe and to protect the public health of our community. Here's a look at what we are doing. When the work crew arrives in your neighborhood, the first step is to disconnect your house sewer lateral from the main sewer pipe we are replacing. Next, the crew will move on to pipe bursting, a very quick and efficient way to replace sewer pipes. And last, after the new main has been installed and tested, we reconnect your lateral pipe from your house to the main, patch any holes in the street, and move on to the next worksite.
We try to minimize the disruption as much as possible. Our contractors notify residents in advance, and there won't be any service interruptions. We help you maintain access to your driveways as well as your residences. When we're done, we'll restore the site back to original conditions.
Once a new sewer main is installed, a very important part of our process is inspecting the new lateral connection to your home. Part of the reason this is so exciting to me is we're able to improve our community even though you may not be able to see it.
Thank you for all of your support and patience as we replace and repair the sewer lines in our district. As industry leaders, we are very proud of this program and what it means to the public. Our mission is to provide the highest value to our customers and protect the San Francisco Bay and our communities.